Here's a quick video on how to do a cutout for your rifles on a new Pelican case. I'll show you the Pelican case here in a second. This is the Vault V800 by Pelican, and I really like how it felt, and I'll show you how it opens up here in a second. So the locks on this thing, you can pull up on this all you want, and they're not going to come off. You have to push the button and then they'll pop up. You've got locks. You got, I think, 4. Yes, 4 on the V800. You got 4 lock holes. And this opens up. It's pretty heavy, so you've got two foam pads there. And then I've got it set up for my Browning 6.8 Western and my Savage 270. So I'm gonna mark my outlines and do my cutouts. I'm gonna do outlines for at least 2 boxes of ammo for both the 270 and the 6.8 Western. And so I'll show you how it looks once I get it all fitted. Now you can see how I'm gonna cut this out. So some guys do it with like a bread cutter or a bread knife. I'm gonna do it with my Havalon. I don't have a bread knife, so I'll get to it. There's also 2 foam pads here. Well, so there's 3, but this middle one I can save in case I take a different set of guns or something hunting. I can use this and cut these out separate for some other ones. As long as you save these inserts that you cut out, you can put them back in and make this the base layer down here and then do your new cutouts. But this case I think I'm primarily going to use for this setup when I'm big game hunting, and so I'm pretty sure this is just how I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to, if I need to do something different, or I'm going to get some different guns, but this should pretty much take care, the 6.8 Western and the 270 should take care of anything in North America. So I don't think I'll ever switch it up. I think I'll just keep this how it is. But it is nice having that second foam set. So I'll get going on the cutout. There it is. I've got my cutout for my 2 rifles, magazines, 2 boxes of ammo for each, and enough space between the guns and the outer edge of the case so they shouldn't be banging and stuff. So anyway, I'm excited. Feels like it fit really well, and should be a good setup, should be waterproof, should be good for quite some time. So you can just roll it around. It's good for airports if you're going to be going to different places. So that is the Vault by Pelican V800.